How to add logo to Canva design. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Canva on your device. Then open your design where you want to add logo. After that, on the left side, you will find Uploads. Click on Uploads, then click on Upload Files, which will open your folders. Select your logo picture and press on Open at the bottom, which will upload your logo in Canva. Simply scroll down in Uploads and you'll find the logo. Simply drag it to your design and it will be pasted there. From there, you can resize it as you want. You can also change its position as you want by clicking on it and clicking on position at the top. You'll find all these options, select the one and you're good to go. This is how to add logo to Canva design. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.